In this video, we are going to show you how you can extend your Teams environment using other Microsoft apps and third-party tools. The easiest way to bring other tools into your team is simply through conversation posts. To do this, click on the New Conversation button, then hit the three dots on the bottom right-hand side, and you can now bring in Microsoft or third-party tools into the channel. If you want an added layer of navigation and structure, you can add other apps as tabs. To do this, click on the Add tab button at the top of the page, then choose the app you want to bring in. For example, you may want to add a Microsoft Whiteboard. Select the whiteboard, give it a name, and you can start using it immediately with your learners. The Whiteboard app will now always be available for your learners to return to by clicking on the tab at the top of the page. In many cases, well-known third-party tools will give you a simple way of embedding your content directly into Teams. Take Wakelet for example. Simply click on the Share button, choose the Teams logo, and then you can add your Wakelet board to whichever channel of your choosing. You may want to make your learners' lives easier by organising content from specific sites into channels. For example, say you use Nearpod on a regular basis. Firstly, create the Nearpod channel. Now, go to Nearpod, find the lessons that you want to share, and when you click onto the lesson, you'll be able to find the Microsoft Teams Share option, and then you can choose whichever team and channel you would like to share that lesson to. Once you click on Share, you can then return to the team and you'll be able to see the Nearpod lessons all in that specific channel.